So, what do you see here? Well, this is a usual day in our city life. And whatever you see here, right from the clouds to the bridge to the river, even these monuments and different types of people, trees, what are these? Well, we are surrounded by all of these, isn't it? And all of them together make our lives possible, isn't it? So, we can say that these all together are a system which enable our survival. So, right from rain, sunlight, the birds, animals, buildings, roads, cars, water bodies, trees, all these together are a system which is called our environment, because this is our environment which enables our survival. Now, our environment has so many different things, isn't it? So many different categories. And all these things which you can see are different components of our environment. Now, these components can broadly be divided into two different categories. What are these? Well, these are the components of environment, which are biotic components, which are living things in the environment, and abiotic components, which are non-living things in the environment. So you see, all the living things are biotic components of the environment, and all the non-living things are abiotic components of the environment. Now, here we have biotic and abiotic components of the environment. Now, if we come to biotic, all these are biotic components, right from human beings to animals and even plants, including all the different tiny germs which are invisible to our naked eye. All these constitute biotic components of the environment. And why do I say so? Because bio means life. So when we talk about biotic components, we are basically talking about components which have life, which live. So all these living organisms constitute biotic components of the environment. Now, apart from the biotic components, there are some other components which are equally important. Now, what are these? Well, different forces of nature. For example, rain, mountains and rocks, volcanoes, temperature, and wind. Now, all these are equally important, but do they live? Are they alive? No, we cannot say that these things have life. So, these are abiotic components of the environment. So, as we see, whenever you place a before anything, what does it mean? It means without. So, we are talking about abio, without life. Bio is life. So, abiotic. So, it's without life. So, all these components here are abiotic. So, all the living organisms are the biotic components of the environment, while all these which do not have life but are definitely important part of the environment, all these are abiotic components of the environment. So you see, human beings are biotic components of the environment because we are living beings. So we are part of this environment and we are living beings. So we are biotic components of the environment. Now, what about different animals? Well, cow, ox, buffalo, camel, horse, even pig. All are animals which make up our environment, and somehow or the other they affect our lives. So all these are part of our lives, and all these things are living beings, isn't it? So they are biotic components of the environment. Now, what about different birds and plants? Well, even they are living beings and they are part of our environment. So they are also biotic components of the environment. Now, what about rain? Rain is very important for our survival because it provides water, which is a very essential thing for our survival. Now, it is not a living thing. It is a non-living thing. As a result, This is an abiotic component of the environment. So you see, rain is an abiotic component of the environment. What about wind? Well, even wind is a non-living thing. As a result, this is also an abiotic component of the environment. What about rocks and soil? Well, rocks and soil are very important for the survival of plants, which in turn are very important for our survival. So, even rocks and soil are important part of our environment, and definitely these are non-living things. So, they are abiotic components of the environment. What about the sun? Well, sun provides us with warmth and light. So you see, sun is also an abiotic component of the environment, isn't it? So, can you tell me which one of these is an abiotic component of the environment? Is it plants? Is it birds? Or is it wind? What do you think? Well, plants are living beings, so they cannot be abiotic. They are biotic. What about birds? Well, even birds are living beings. They are biotic component of the environment. What about wind? Well, wind is a non-living thing. So definitely this is an abiotic component of the environment. So among these, wind is an abiotic component of the environment. So you see, when we talk about environment, it is made up of a number of components. Among them, some are biotic, some are abiotic. Right from human beings to plants, different tiny germs, and all the different animals, they all are biotic components of the environment. While the sun, rain, rocks, wind, and all the different natural forces, which are non-living things, they are the abiotic component of the environment. So, our environment has two components, biotic and abiotic. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.